first person. Are you excited?
Yes, of course.
So you are the freshman. Okay. And
Lunchtime. Bon аппетит. Мне ложь перская.
Давай.
Are you happy?
Am I happy?
Yes. We will see on the top. On the top.
Yes. Yeah.
Look straight to the viewer show.
See on top. Speed run.
Bro, you're a gentleman.
Speed run. Okay.
Yes.
This is us before we climb the mountain. Before the mountain. Everyone after the mountain. Yeah, we will see what will be the after.
Some people they'll be carrying it.
Damn! What is this? I didn't expect that. What the hell? I'm already tired. We can do this, Vincent.
If I fall, just leave me behind.
Okay. Okay, we can do this.
Tell my family I love. Never mind.
No! It's not the end. Look at this.
I can't talk.
How do you think? I'm fucking... I think... What do you mean 5 more? We finished on the first. Oh, the plane. We're so close. So close.
You need to sit down.
What do you think? Are you sure? No. What do you think, guys? It's supposed to be fun. Look, our purple Abubu is alive. He's alive.
Давай, давай.
Yeah.
Are you okay, bro?
He's on the top.
Where are you? Where are you guys?
I'm very happy
Why you not look like tired?
because I'm not tired.
Yeah, you
Are you?
I'm tired.
It's the big one. My hands are shaking so much. Oh my god.
And put inside here.
Put your head here. Put your head here.
It fits?
it fits.
Oh, this one.
Happy Auni. What do you want to say? Сука. You should say пиздец. Да. It's endless.
My heart feels like it's about to explode. My legs like boiled spaghetti noodles. But I'm still alive.
Yeah. Okay, it's 1,000.
Bye.
Давай.
Ah.
It's 1,000 steps. And we will be on the top.
Background.
It's okay. It's a hard game.
You want
Oh, it's the top! It's the top!
Are you happy?
I'm so happy! I'm so happy!
You know, in Chinese, we have a slogan. If you do not climb the Great Wall, you are not a real man.
After this, we're gonna go to Beijing Great Wall, sir.
Really real man because I go to Beijing.
Wow. Double real man. Look at that. Yay. My congratulations.